Hi everyone, here you can see the basin and the tap, and the pressure on the tap is too high. Whenever you turn the tap on, the water splashes out. The reason? The basin is small and not deep, and too much pressure on the tap. To rectify this issue, what you can do, either you can install pressure reducing valve or flow regulator valve on the pipe. So that way, you can like adjust or balance the pressure. Another way, just below the basin, you will see the isolation bulb. Here you can see two isolation bulb, one for hot and another for the cold. So what you need to do, so this one is fully open, means it's just straight, that means fully open. So what you need to do, just get the flathead screwdriver and close it. Not fully close, just slightly close it. So what I did, I just turned to quarter. So it was closed. It's not fully closed, it's just slightly closed, and now you can see the difference on the water. So the pressure is reduced and it's not splashing out. Thank you for watching video.